not just for reporting a news. Newspaper is not just for reporting a news. It's for to make aware to pupils. So by these lines, firstly, good morning to all and welcome back to all in the RK Scaper News Reporting channel with Pratibha Patel. Today I am news reporter of this academy. It is being informed to you about the Ajmer news. So let's know that what is coming from the Ajmer. You all have listened about the LPG gas accident. So before it, let me show you the picture of that incident. You can be able to watch that these are the picture of that incident. And now let me tell you some more thing that people are just thinking about these kind of the things that maybe this thing has happened by the made-up plan, because you can be able to watch in the that there is no remaining the time. Even whatever can be able to burn in these kind of the incident, all things has got the burn. So let me tell you that even in the birds also got the burn in these kind of the incident. And what is just happening, you can watch in this paper that it has already printed that more than 27 people are suffering from the that fire, and there is more than chances of the 18% for the, means that is very highest case that for the saving in their life, there is only 20% remain for saving their life. And this thing happened on the Friday, means since 21 December, and let me tell you that this incident happened before the Jaipur of the 10 kilometer, and in that incident, near of the that incident, there was the Delhi Public School also, and in that school, means 31 people has already admitted in the hospital. So what is just happening, that let me tell you about more things that you can be able to watch in this, that in that pupil, what happened when the LPG gas truck was about to take the U-turn. So what happened when the U-turn was taken by the truck, so on that time another truck came and got and tracked. But what happened on that time, the U-turn has opened, and due to that reason the gas has slid, and already gas is heavy more than the air. So the people were smoking about those kind of the things, and the which vehicles was there. So that of the reason it got the fire. And this was the place, and in the near of the that incident there is the petrol pump and Delhi Public School. It has also taken the in the these kind of the under things. And let me tell you in the, so in the map also that news, the truck was coming from Ajmer to Jaipur, and that incident happened, and there is no any kind of the action is taken by the NHS. Means the what happened with the before 4 year already it has mentioned that you can watch here, that is the road from the that road now turn was taken for the ring road. But when just turn was taken, so another truck came and got the tracked. So what happened, it's got the fire, and that incident happened in the morning time at 5:44 am. And before it, means there was now in the winter season there is a smoke also. The people were thinking about those kind of things. These are the times of the that incident, and already NHS has, means in that place there is already traffic is got too much. So NHS has said already for the making the 10 bridge, even 3 bridges has completed. Then after that also that those bridge has not been opened, and these are the road, means like this also road can be made by in the Ajmer on that place. But this kind of the action has not taken before the 4 year. The ring road has been made by the NHS. If this kind of the things this kind of the road has been made by the NHS, so it can come from there and it can take the Newton from the highway. And ring road is made for the NHS for the taking the direct from not going to from the highway, that is from coming the under of the another road from out area they can be able to do. So that in the you can watch in that date. Now this time the buses are going of technology also. So you can watch here in these kind of the things, and there are the many facility in these kind of the bus. So people can be able to take the rest very easily, even whenever if any kind of the things will be happen in with that in this bus. So what is just happening, they will be unable to run very fastly, because in that place that is very thin. So if they want to run, so only one people can be able to go, means one by one they can be able to go. So that is my news. Thank you for your